So what I'd like to do is just go over some of our products that we have available that we sell. We actually have a line of small products to include HEPA filtration, door interlocking systems, and pressure monitoring systems. So Certec was actually founded in 1997. We actually installed the very first modular biosafety laboratory in the world. We placed it in Louisiana on top of a 5-story building. From there, we've been manufacturing modular biosafety laboratories, mobile biosafety laboratories, and components that run these laboratories, like the pressure monitors and door interlocking systems. And with our products that we use in our facilities, they're integratable into other types of control systems. So if you're using Johnson controls or you're using Siemens controls, you can actually use our pressure monitors and our door interlocking systems and integrate them into your systems. The pressure monitor systems, like you see right here, we actually have ones that will do room to outside, room to room, and then pressures in ductwork and pressures across your filters to monitor the static pressure to let you know when those filters are actually loading up or working. And then we also have door interlocking systems. So we actually have door interlocking systems that can be used on anything, and they're integratable into your BMS, like our intelligent door interlocking system that actually is controlled with a controller. So it can be programmed to control multiple doors in different groups. You can do different modes where it's like mode 1, and you can do 2 sets of 2 doors or a set of 3 doors and 2 doors, or you can go up to 7 doors. Then we have our Disc X system, and this can actually be modified and changed for whatever your needs. If you need up to 7 doors, this can do 7 doors. If you need to do a door and a piece of equipment, like in an X-ray room, we use this quite often for that. And it also has a remote indicator lights and stations, so people outside the room know if that piece of equipment is being on or off. And we can modify these for whatever your need is. So if you say, I need to control a piece of equipment in the door like your X-ray machine, we can modify it to work with that. Or if you have a piece of machinery that you don't want anybody in that room while it's operating. What we also do is we have HEPA filters. We have a whole line of HEPA filters. So this is our 8x8, which is a plumbing vent filter that we use typically in animal laboratories where your plumbing exhaust needs to be vented and filtered. We also have other HEPA filters, and they come in 12x12, 12x24, 24x24, and 36x24. And what you can do with these filters is they're made to be in line so that if you have limited space or you're doing an addition or you're adding in, you can actually go ahead and install these filters into that area. They come with decontamination ports, so they can be isolated and decontaminated. And you actually just replace the whole filter system, the whole unit, when you're in there. So what I can do real quick, this is an overview. I'll grab that remote and change the filters. So we're going to change the screen here in just a second, the blue screen that's actually behind me. And then we're going to go ahead and put some HEPA filters up on there. Now you hit the back button on the back. There you go. That should be able to find it. And when it comes up, hit the button. Just hit OK. So again, in our HEPA filters, they come in all different sizes. This is a 24x24. So here you have a 24x24, a 12x24, and a 12x12. So with those HEPA filters, when they're like that, again, they're designed to be put in line. They're decontaminatable, in situ, so you can do it right there in place. If the filter is bad, you replace the whole cartridge, which is a lot easier process when you do that.